Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore EV coolant leak detection using UV dye kit. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary materials for the procedure. Ensure you have the UV dye kit specifically designed for coolant systems. Put on safety goggles and gloves to protect yourself during the process. Locate the coolant reservoir in your electric vehicle. Remove the cap from the coolant reservoir carefully. Add the recommended amount of UV dye into the coolant reservoir. Replace the cap securely on the reservoir. Start your electric vehicle and let it run for a few minutes. This will help the UV dye circulate through the coolant system. Turn off the vehicle after the dye has circulated. Open the hood again and inspect the coolant system for leaks. Using the UV flashlight included in your kit, shine it around the coolant lines and connections. Look for any bright green or yellow spots which indicate a leak. If a leak is found, mark the spot for further repair. If no leaks are visible, you may need to conduct a more thorough inspection. Check other components such as the water pump, radiator, and hoses. Once all inspections are complete, properly dispose of any waste materials. Make sure to reseal any openings you may have opened during the process. Your coolant system is now ready for a full assessment and necessary repairs. Remember to closely monitor the coolant levels and conditions in future use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.